slime video. So, I have my slime that I made yesterday. We went to the dollar store and we got some supplies. So, today, I thought I'd show you my slime and do all the different tests because my cousin is holding the camera right now. And she said that the slime is pretty
Go check me out at Automatoes.
She said the slime is pretty good. So I think we'll try 3 different tests, maybe even 4. I don't know. So
Maybe we'll even make some.
yeah, well, not on this video.
No,
'Cause,
maybe a different video.
yeah. So first, we're going to try out the clicky test. Pretty clicky. My dad's over there on his computer and he's like, oh my gosh. So now we're going to do,
Poppy test.
poppy test. So I'm going to do this real quick. Maybe after the slime bubble, okay, but we're going to do an Instagram throw. I need to get it good. Oh, this is amazing slime. And we're gonna pretty good. I'm gonna open that Instagram so also. Okay, so I love doing that. So now we're gonna do. This is what makes it clicky. Not the slime bubble. We're not doing that yet. I thought it was going to be clicking. And I did not make jiggly slime. So, yeah, just put against the water bottle. Okay. Were you filming yourself the whole time?
No, I just tweet her.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna go take a smoke.
There's like, okay, her phone? Okay, so this is that's my dad. So now we're gonna do the slime bubble. But now I can't make a slime bubble.
Yeah, you can.
This. Okay, we're gonna try.
What does your dad do?
It's gonna go give my mom her phone. 'Cause my mom's at work. And it's a Saturday, guys. Okay, so this is gonna be hard to make a slime bubble.
Okay, let me hear you do a poppy test for them.
Wait, I already have it. Oh, I just made a hole.
Poppy test. Well, let me do the bubble test first.
Oh, guys.
Made a bubble. Wasn't too big, but listen. Today's my birthday. Well, not really, but we're celebrating it.
Because her dad won't be.
Yeah.
Right, guys? No. Because it was a hole, guys. It was a hole. Okay.
I think we should make slime on this video.
No.
A different video?
I don't really want to make slime right now.
But we need a good slime like this.
I can't. Can I see that?
Just a minute, just a minute. Where did your brother go to catch Pokemon? Station?
Nope. He went to the cemetery.
Should we go there? Do you want to walk there? It's actually really cool. Do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Where?
It's across the street, a little bit from by the church.
Let's do it.
Wait.
We need our morning exercise, right?
I want to show them the slime bubble. Oh, I can never do it. Okay.
Don't say never. Never say never. Oh, 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 Wait, let me teach you here how to do it pretty easy. Okay. So this is how I first of all learned. You go like this. and then you come back. That's a harder way. But then another one, this is how I do it now, is here.
And just make it up.
No, wait.
This is good slime.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I give
Especially
you.
for the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, we made this supplies out of just the Dollar Tree things. Besides boiling some water. Yeah, so we're gonna try to do a slime bubble now.
You are.
Yeah, I am.
Since I taught her. Now pull it forward. Here, so
Wait.
let me show you what you're doing and how it's supposed to be done.
Wait, let me do it. Okay.
Okay. Now this is what you're doing wrong. Okay, so what you're doing wrong is you're going down with it. So let me show you what you're doing.
There's holes in it.
I know. I can't even do it the way you're doing it. So let me hear you try to do it the way you're doing it. Okay, so you're going like this. You're not getting fast enough to the air, okay? So what you want to do is you want to flatten it, pull here, and fast. You want to go fast as you can. Just like this. Let me show you. Like this.
Look at it. I made a mini one. This is the mini slime. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna try
Okay,
that.
let's go. Come on.
Wait, no, I'm trying that. I haven't done it yet.
I look pretty ridiculous because it's early in the morning. Better. Here, let me show you guys what time it is. It is 9:24 right now. Pretty late in the day, but yeah. Okay.
Wait. Let me do it.
Oh,
So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and turn on post notifications so you know every time I upload a new video. See you guys next time. Slime out.